Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to easily use OpenAI Codex in VSCode. So guys, for this we're actually going to look for a extension. So this is going to be an extension that you will have to use. So you just go to this tab right over here, which is extensions. Use a shortcut if you wish. And in the extensions search, just type in Codex. Like that, it's going to search for it. And guys, you're looking for this one. So not the first one, nor the third one, this one. This is the Codex by OpenAI, so the developers of ChatGPT. As you can see, it also has the badge of verification. So this is the official extension. So you can either press on here, on this little button, or click on it and press on install. Okay, now press on trust and install. All right, as you can see, that was pretty quick. And now, guys, you will see that you have this new Codex tab in here available. So this is our Codex by OpenAI. And in here, as you can see, you can just sign in with ChatGPT. So just click on this button and proceed with logging in your browser. So open. All right, and in here, guys, you can just continue with Google like this. In here, as you can see, sign to Codex with ChatGPT. Continue. Okay, now you can close this page because you're already signed in. And as you can see, now we have this little introduction on how to use Codex. We can now close this. We don't need this anymore. All right, and in here, just go next. Next. Next once again. And next. And as you can see, you can now ask Codex to do anything. You're done and ready to work. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, give a huge thumbs up on the video, and of course, hey, leave a comment. If you have any questions, we will answer shortly. Thank you for watching.